Welcome to how to earn money through ChatGPT and Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating quiz videos. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you want to earn money using ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to make you a quiz questions. So to actually make the questions for a mid-level, not an expert or basic, so you will need to tell that to ChatGPT. So as you see, I told ChatGPT to generate me a 10 quiz questions about math that is not very hard or very basic, with multiple choice questions. So we'll hit enter. So as you see, I made ChatGPT to generate them, then I made him to generate the answers too. So if we see this question, it's not so basic. It's telling you to get the sequence of these numbers, and it's not the most basic thing. And here's some equations, and you can make ChatGPT make it more difficult. So let's get to how to make the quiz bot. So if you go to Canva, you can search for a quiz template and you can get a pro template and you can get a normal template like this. I will choose this template for now. So click on customize, and now you can customize this template, change the colors and enter the question. So we'll go to position, then choose the thing that we want to customize. As you see here, I want to customize the background and then make the color red. As you see, we can change the quiz time to quiz day or quiz hour. I will change it to quiz in 1 minute. As you see here, I changed the title. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and then we'll copy the question. As you see here, I copied the question into this template and I manipulated the template, and also you can do that too. So after you finish your quiz, you can click on file, then download, and then you have a quiz ready to be uploaded in TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.